Hi friends, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to be looking at elimination with solving a system of linear equations. That's a whole lot to just means we need to eliminate one of these variables. You see X, you see Y. I need to get rid of one of them. Now, in order to get rid of them, I need the number in front of X in both equations to be the same. Or I need the number in front of Y in both equations to be the same, but I need one to be positive and one to be negative. So I think I can get rid of the y's the easiest. Let me show you how I would do that. I'm going to aim to get a 6 in front of the y's. And I'm going to get a negative 6 in front of the y's in the first equation. And then I already have a positive 6 in front of the y's in the second equation. So I'm going to leave that second equation alone. I'm not going to do anything to it. All right, but the first equation, I am going to have to do something because remember, I want a negative 6 right here. So what I have to do is say, okay, well, 2 times what would give me negative 6? And that would be negative 3. So I'm going to multiply this whole equation times negative 3. So 5x times negative 3 would give me negative 15x. And 2y times negative 3 would give me negative 6y. And 7 times negative 3 would give me negative 21. So now I have the same number in front of the y's, but one's positive, one's negative. That's going to work perfectly. Let me show you how. We're going to add these two equations together. So negative 15x plus 7x gives me negative 8x. Minus 6y plus 6y goes away because that's going to give me 0. And that's going to equal negative 21 minus 3 gives me negative 24. And now my second variable is gone. I can solve this equation. It's super simple. Negative 8x equals negative 24. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 8. And I get that x is 3. By eliminating that one variable, then I could solve for the other one. Now, my second step comes because I only have half the solution. Remember, my equations have x and y in them, and I only found x. So now I've got to go find y. So you're going to choose either equation. Choose the one that seems the easiest to you. For me, that looks to be 5x plus 2y equals 7. And now I'm going to put in 3. I'm going to sub 3 in for x. And then I'm going to solve for y. So 15 times 5 times 3 gives me 15. And then we'll solve for the y. So I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. And that gives me 2y equals negative 8. Then I can divide both sides by 2. And I get that y equals negative 4. Now, I know what x is. I know what y is. All I have to do is write my solution as an ordered pair. So I want to remind you that we write ordered pairs as alphabetical order, x and then y. And so I would write that as 3, negative 4 as my final answer. So I hope this helps you with elimination. Remember, you're trying to get that same number in front of the y, but you need one to be positive and you need one to be negative so that they'll eliminate and then you can solve for the other one. All right, friends. Bye for now.